Hello, welcome back to Knitting Nicely. I'm Danielle Chauvet. Today we're going to learn how to do a central double decrease. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. So a central double decrease makes it so you're making 3 stitches into 1 stitch. But then you're going to have that 1 stitch is going to be in the center. So the first thing you're going to do is slip 2 stitches knitwise, then you're going to knit 1 stitch, and then you're going to pull those 2 stitches you slipped back over the 1 stitch. Okay, well, let's slow it down. That was pretty fast. So first we're going to find the 3 stitches. The middle one should be the one that you want in the center. Okay, it's going to go from 3 stitches to 1. So we're going to put our right hand needle into the 2 stitches. We're going to slip them over together knitwise. See that? We twisted them. Now you're going to knit the 3rd stitch. Just knit it as you would normally knit a stitch. Wrap that yarn around and knit through it. And then you're going to take your left needle and slip it through those 2 stitches that you slipped, and you're going to pull them over the top of that one that you knitted. So make sure you don't split your yarn. Make sure you grab both of them and slip them both over the top of that one that you knitted. And then you have your central double decrease. Okay, so let's do it again in regular speed. 3 stitches into 1. So we slip the 2 stitches knitwise together, so they're twisted. Knit 1. So you're knitting the 3rd stitch. Then you're slipping the 2 stitches that you slipped back over the top of the stitch that you knitted. And then you have your double decrease. And then I'll knit these 2 so you can see it, what it looks like. So we have a nice little center line of stitches going up. All right, so that's how you do a central double decrease. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to get more videos from Knitting Nicely, please subscribe. Happy knitting!